name's Paul Murphy and I have a passion for hats. Today I've got another hat which has just been finished and ready to sell, and it's a Trilby made of Failsworth fur felt. It's a mixture of beaver and rabbit, very soft to the feel. Let's have a look and see what the crown size is. The crown size is 11 centimeters high and the brim is 5.5 centimeters. So a really nice sort of dress size hat. It's got a very nice teardrop in the center there. I've tried to keep it nice and crisp to the folds, and also a nice sort of, I don't know if you can see that there, but indentation there. So it gives it a bit of a modern feel, if you like, on a classic lined hat. Some nice indentations, mid-size I'd say, not too big, not too small. The grosgrain is black, both on the brim and also on the crown. It's a 38mm on the crown, 15mm on the brim. And then inside, I've got the hat band with my logo on there, and also our lovely multicoloured swallow logo. So that's with a nice blue sort of paisley lining in there. So a very nice hat, can be worn with the brim up, or of course with the brim down. I'll just see if I can show you what it's like. If I take that one off and pop this one on, I think this one is my size, so it's about a 60 centimeter, and this one, it's not been stiffened too much, this one up, so it sort of needs to be pressed down a little bit to stay down, or a little bit of steam on there would do it. And of course, as with every hat, they come with one of our hat boxes, and that's with a nice area in there that we pop it in, and of course we send out instructions on how to look after your hat, a little thank you note and a card from myself, because hopefully we can start a sort of hat relationship, if you like, once you buy one of your hats from me, and I can help you get the most out of it over the period that you have it. To measure the size on the hats, once I've actually created them, I use my antique sizer. Now, when I cut a sweatband, I'm always measuring it out so that it's accurate, either for the custom build if it's for a particular customer, or for myself, or I cut it to size if I'm using a particular size block and it needs to be made for stock. So then pop this in, and you just use it like a pair of scissors, and then probably see this, it then comes up with the measurement inside there. This is an old antique measure, so of course it's in the old English sizing. So 7 3/8 is a size 60, and that's what this is. Ready for the next owner.